In this section, you will learn about our EOPS CARE program that provides additional services to single parents. You will hear from our care counselor, Lorna Bukasa.
Students, I want to welcome you and tell you a little bit about the CARE program, which is another very special program in EOPS. I am Lorna Bukasa, and I am one of the EOPS counselors, but I also happen to be the CARE counselor. And I just want to share with you that being a parent is a sacred job. And we would like here at EOPS and CARE to provide all the support we can to assist you as you navigate the challenges of school along with all your parental responsibilities. Under our main support program, EOPS, we have the CARE program. So for those EOPS students who are single, head of household, and you also are receiving CalWORKs cash aid, you have at least one child under 18 years of old, you qualify for the CARE program. So as long as you're in EOPS and you meet that other criteria. And the support we provide in the CARE program is that we provide help financially, mentally, and emotionally. Now, financially, what we do is we assist through cash grants that help with childcare during study time. We provide additional book and supply assistance that's in addition to what you receive from EOPS. And we also provide meal assistance. So we'll do that in whatever form works for the student the best during that semester. The mental assistance is through information and resources, and we have a variety of workshops that we provide that will help you grow and help you be successful. And then emotionally, we provide counseling and we provide support groups and other gatherings so that you realize you're not alone. You're in it with a great group of other students and counselors who want to assist. Because we know if we strengthen you, we're going to strengthen that whole family, not only by your academic success, but by your positive mindset and nurturing yourself as a whole person. So join CARE today and enjoy all the benefits of being in the CARE family. Please email us at the email address you're seeing here, and we will contact you, let you know how you can attend a CARE orientation and complete a few forms, and then we'll have you started right away. Okay, bye-bye.